Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sucharita. I'm a mom of 3 boys. Also, I'm a working mom. In this video, I would like to share our way of dealing with clothes. We have lots of clothes, obviously, because we are a family of 5. So a lot of organizing is needed. So let's get started. First thing what we do in our house is that we wash our clothes every single day. One batch of clothes have to be washed every single day because we don't want to pile up the clothes and leave it for the weekend to wash it all at once. But then it gets very stressful. So to avoid that, what we do is we wash the clothes every single day. The second thing what we do is that either me or my husband Amit, we make sure to remove the clothes from the clothes hanger. So I personally don't like to use the dryer. I like to air dry my clothes. So we make sure to remove the clothes from the clothes hanger as soon as the clothes are dried. That way, next time when we wash the clothes, we don't have the clothes hanger full of clothes and we don't have place. And the next thing what we try to do to make our lives easy is to fold the clothes immediately after we remove them from the clothes hanger. So for folding clothes, I've been a very big fan of KonMari methods. I have been following her methods from quite some time, and also I have adapted my own way of organizing which suits my my family. So I tried, it's mostly me who folds the clothes in my house because I like to do it. So I fold the clothes as soon as they are out of the clothes hanger. So what happens is, if we don't do that, so we remove the clothes from the clothes hanger and then we dump it in a chair or on a bed, and at one point it gets so overwhelming, then you try to search for the clothes. So we don't want that thing to happen. So at least we like to spare some time to fold the clothes. So folding and keeping away is makes really a much of a difference. So we fold them and then keep them away. So also it's very important for me to be organized in a way where I can see the clothes. It is visual, how they are folded and placed in the cupboards. So this is how I try to fold and keep our kids' clothes. So those were the tips from my end. I hope you liked it, and it's not that you have to follow what I do, but it's just to share how we do. If you like such kind of videos, do subscribe to my channel. It will definitely motivate me to do more. Thank you so much for watching, and I would like to see you around. Till then, take care and goodbye.